So today, no bikes, no skateboards, no skate parks. Today we're going to meet up with our good friend Nicky D that you may remember from the Frozen Pond video. The year of the cicada. He's just in there holding his phone looking stressed. He's like, oh, I can't take this shit. I can't stomach it. I'm gonna go into the rink and check it out, see if it's wet. It doesn't look like it is. Looks like we should be good. It is dry, my friend. And we got the whole place to ourselves, like always. This is my favorite place, man. It's down in the middle of the woods. Our people don't even know about it. It's just a really cool place. Really, you get to almost play hockey in the woods, in a sense. So, should be fun. Let's see what we can do. Yeah. Hey, we're out here. We doing our thing.
Look at his feet!
Oh!
He's scared. Duck!
Cicadacity, baby. Oh, I missed it! I heard something popping up in the woods, and I heard the tree coming down. Oh, buddy. Actually, you know what? We could use shade on this side. Hey, it's a cabana rink, man. Welcome to the Jamaica rink. This is not a Jamaican tree by any means. Wow, and it broke the fence post. I feel like you're my slave, and I'm your master. Oh shit. I think somebody's fucking with us. Dude, I'm not gonna lie though, you did a hell of a good job for only using a hockey stick at weed whacking this hillside. Oh! I hit the reefers too hard.
Oh! He said, suck it! Suck it!
Watch it, watch it, watch it now. I see it. Oh, Joseph. Okay. He's cool as hell.
Oh, Pat, watch out!
No! Not even in for 1 second. Where's it at? Oh, he sees it, thank God.
You shall not pass.
My cicada. Oh, backhand, forehand, backhand, forehand, backhand, forehand, backhand. Eee, shoots and scores. All right, I got one hand. I'm the one-hand man. Post. I got you. That's on sides. Not bad for a one-hand man. Oh, I missed it. Gotta load the cannon, baby. Oh! Let's go. And that's how it's done. Boop. Thank you. While we're playing hockey, I literally caught a butterfly
Pokemon.
with the ribcore.
Dude, that's sick.
This is incredible. You want to be my pet? There are cicadas everywhere. Oh, a cicada's on me, Nick. Help! God! Fuck! The cicada landed on me and you didn't even help. Now he's fucking up by your hat, dude. He's by your hat, dude. Run! I can't get him. I fucking can't hit it. Stop!
Ah, you fucking fuck out of here, you cocksucker. I'll kill you.
Hey! Dude, one landed on my shirt and you're fucking around.
See you, right?
Whoa, 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 whoa! Get the fuck out of here. He's in the paint. Get him out of the crease, goddammit. You go first. I'm fucking scared, dude. Go. Hold on. Come on. See how good he can receive a pass. Oh! Hit him right in the kisser. Ejection. Think about what you've done. Yo, first try. Into the trash can. First take. Bar down into the trash can. Let's go.
You gonna put that in there? Still a good shot nonetheless.
Number 2.
Numero dos. Get it?
It's in the trash can.
Not bar down, but it still counts. There's a giant spider in there, so be careful.
All right, Nicky D's left, and I don't leave the rink until I hit the crossbar. Now, the camera battery is most likely, Jesus Christ, there's fucking cicadas everywhere. The camera battery is most likely gonna die. So, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna set it up and I'm gonna see if I can hit the crossbar, and I'll let you know how many tries it takes. If the battery dies, you know it took me more than 5. So, here you are. This is the best view you can get. And I'll be back. Number 2. Two tries. It's pretty cool. And I'm leaving, so bye. Yo, this bag don't say Cicada Steve. Last time I checked, it says Pat G. Now get the fuck out of here. Oh, you're lucky I missed you. Oh, you're lucky I missed you twice. Oh, you think you got a good defensive mechanism? You don't. Get the fuck out of here. Son of a whore.